the two loops. Can you see it? It's very simple, very simple. Then so the third one, the third hole here, the third chain, you will just let me use my pin to pull it out so that you guys can see it very well. Here is our third chain. This is our third chain. This is where you will insert your hook. I will just pull it out. You know, the first chain we skip it. We've done the second one, and right there you want to do the third one. So right now, insert your hook inside that chain. Then you now yarn over your yarn and you pull out a loop. Can you see it? Can you see that we now have two? We have two loops. Then you yarn over and pull through both loops. Can you see what we have? Very simple. Very, very simple. Then the fourth chain right here. Can you see it? This is our fourth chain. You pull it out a little bit. And I'm only doing this because of the beginners in the house. If I don't, you guys will not understand. And you should know me now. Know any. I always explain very well. My class are with well detailed video. So can you see it? Just insert your loop inside that hole, then you yarn over, and we have two now. We have two loops on our loop. Then you just yarn over and put through the two loops on your hook. So we are done with that one. So let's move to the next chain. I'll grab my pin again to pull it out. Pull the next chain out. Pull it out here. Can you see it? It's very simple, to be sincere. Once you know how to do this now, oh my god, the remaining projects will be very easy for you. So let's continue. Insert your hook inside that hole, inside that chain rather. Then you will now yarn over your yarn. Then you pull it, just pull out a loop and you yarn over again to pull through the both loops on your hook. Can you see it? Can you see what we have? Can you see it? So let's move to the next chain. Grab your pin, pull it out. Remember, if you are perfect already, you don't have to be doing this. It's only for beginners so that their hook will not be hanging inside the chain. So right there, insert that your hook. Can you see it? Then after that, after you must have inserted it, pull it out like this and pull it out again. Yarn over and pull it out. Can you see what we have? Oh, our work is coming out. Don't forget we are making a single crochet. We are making a single crochet. So grab your pin, then pull out the next chain. This is our next chain. This is the next chain. Pull it out just a little bit, a little bit. Then grab your crochet hook. Grab your hook and then you insert it inside that chain, inside the next chain. Can you see it? Insert it. After that, you yarn over and pull out a loop. Pull it out. Yeah, perfect. Then you yarn over again and you pull through the both loops on your hook. Perfect. So guys, let's continue. This is really simple, to be sincere with you guys. It's very simple. You just have to concentrate. Then you just go ahead and pull out the next chain. Pull it out. Can you see it? You pull it out. That's exactly what I'm doing. Can you see it? It's very simple, guys. It's very simple. Grab your crochet hook now, then insert it inside that chain. Insert it. I just want to show you again. Can you see the chain? This is the chain. Then you go ahead and insert it. I'm only doing this for you guys to understand. I'm doing this for you to understand, guys. Can you see it? Now insert it. After you must have inserted it, then you yarn over, pull out a loop. Can you see it? And pull it out again and pull through the both loops on your hook. And this is our work. Can you see it? That's how I'll continue till I get to the end of this chain. So guys, we are almost done. We are almost done with it. So just insert it into the next chain here. Now this is what I'm doing. Insert it in the new chain. Yarn over, pull out a loop and pull through the both loops. Then you insert it into your next chain right here. And can you see what we have? This is what we have. This is what we have. So guys, we are at the last one now, the last chain. This is our last chain. Can you see it? So pull it out, pull it out. So now grab your hook and insert it inside the last chain, the 20th chain. Insert it inside and yarn over, pull out a loop, then you yarn over again and pull through the both loops. So guys, we are done with this row. The next thing is to move to the next row. So have a look at what we have. Can you see it? Have a look at what we have, both front and back. Have a look at what we have. Can you see it? So guys, let's go ahead and move to the next row. All we just do is to turn it. Turn your work is just to turn it. Turn it like this. Can you see how I turned it? That's how you just turn it. It's very simple. Very simple. And after you must have turned it, you will now repeat the same thing that we did on the first row. This is the second row now. This is the second row, second step. So you are going to repeat the same thing you did on the first row. So now insert your hook into the first chain. You remember the first row we skipped the first chain, but this time around you won't skip it. So can you see what I'm doing? That I'm already done with the first one. So here is the second chain. Insert it and put out a loops and put through the both loops. Can you see it? It's very simple, just exactly we did on the first row. Can you see it? Let me show you guys so that you guys will not be confused. I don't want you to get confused. I want all of you to understand it. So can you see it? Can you see that hole? That's exactly where you insert your hook. Then insert it now. Insert your hook into the chain. Then you use your hook to pull out a loop. Yarn over, yarn it over like this. Yarn your yarn over, then can you see it? And yarn over again and pull through the both loops. It's very simple, just like we did for the first row. And here is our other chain here, the next chain. Can you see that hole? I will just pull it out a little bit for you guys to see it. Can you see it? Pull it out a little bit, then you insert